Okay, very good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing how to find unit digit of any number. This is the concept. Are you all this one, everyone, dear students? So, how to find unit digit of any number? Are you audible my voice, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
All of you keeping mute. Good. Now, see, first we discuss zero level to high level. Tell me, what is the unit digit? Unit digit in 24 into 25 into 26 into 29. So what we are in this case, you have to focus on unit digit. What is the unit digit? First number 4, here 5, here 6, here 9. So which is same as unit digit of 4, 5, 6, 9. How much coming here? 20. Unit digit coming 0 now. Enter value is how much? 0. So what the answer is coming? 0. Second example, see. Unit digit in 2022 into 23 into 19, suppose. Then what is your answer? So unit digit means you have to focus on 2 is there, here 3 is there, here 9 is there. How much? 2, 3, 2 into 3 into 9. 2, 3 is 6, 6, 9 is 54. So unit digit is 4. Remaining numbers not required because we are talking about unit digits only. This one. Like that, see. Unit digit in 24. In this case, I'm talking about summation. 1901 plus 277. How to find unit digit? So unit digit means in this case no need to add all the numbers. Simply add them. Unit digit 4 is there, 1 is there, 7 is there. So 4 plus 1 plus 7 is how much? 8 plus 4, 12. That means unit digit is 2. Give the conclusion. Unit digit of 24 plus 1901 is 2. Same question I can ask like that. See, find unit digit in multiplication. Same question I'm taking. 1901 into 277 is dash. How much? So in this case, previous one is talking about addition. Second one is talking about multiplication. So how to solve this one? What is the unit digit here? 4. Here 1. Here 7. Anyone?
Sir,
So,
8.
7 yeah, 7 how much? 28. Yes. That is the answer. Answer is 8. See, if multiplication means answer is coming 8. Addition means 2 is coming. That is depending on the question. Okay. Now this time we are discussing unit digit in base power. Base power means exponent. This is nothing but exponent. Like that, this is the format. A power m. That any number is there in the form of a power m. Other how to find unit digit? That is the question. Okay. In this case, I'm writing case 1C, dear students. Unit digit, write on. Unit digit in, suppose base is given, suppose sometimes they give one is there, talking about, you know, unit digit is suppose, you know, in this case base 1, suppose 0, like 5 is there, 6 is there, to the power. Power means any number. You can get same digit. Means what here? Suppose 11 power any number, 2021. What the unit digit is coming? Unit digit is coming 1. Why? Because 1 power anything is always getting 1. Like that. See, unit digit in 10 power 21. Suppose what is the unit digit here? 0. Unit digit in 1575 whole power 206 is there. How to find this one? 5 power anything is 5. 5 square 25. 5 cube 125. 5 power 4 625. In this case, talking about unit digit only. So 5 power any number gives 5. Any number means the natural number. So is same as unit digit in 5 power 206. So finally, what is the answer? 5. I'm giving example. See, 11 power, 10 power, 5 power, remaining 6 power. Right now, discuss. I'm going to give some examples. The base unit digit is in the format like that. See, I will give one more example. You can see. Another example. See, unit digit. Okay, suppose some number is there. The last digit is 1 is there. Any number, dear students, is what is the unit digit? 1.
1.
Suppose some number is there. Unit digit is 0. Any number. What is the unit digit?
0.
0.
Again, unit digit in 5 whole power. Any number. Any number means any natural number. Is what is the unit digit?
5.
5. You can verify. You can take any example. Unit digit in that is 6 power any number.
6.
6.
6. Why? Because 6 power 1, 6 square, 6 cube. That is the meaning. Means what I'm talking about only unit digit. Unit digit is how much coming at? 6. 5 power. Like the 0 power, 1 power. So these are the numbers. Right on. I'm giving some examples. See. Example. Find unit digits. N 1056 whole power 6501 is what is the answer?
6.
6. Yeah, fantastic. Okay. Can I proceed? Completed this one?
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. Keep in silent mode, all of you. Class is recording. Now see. Find unit digits in 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whole power is, what is the answer?
1.
1. Good, yeah, very good. Now, till now, talking about unit digits. Yeah, unit digit is 0, 1, 5, 6 means same number is coming. What about 2, 4, 7, 9 like that? Now talking about unit digits. Suppose base is like that, 2 power n, 4 power n, 7 power n, 8 power n, 9 power n. What happened? How to find? How to find these cases? Now say, dear students, anyone, 2 power n is there. Suppose n is any number. Every time divide with 4. Check it how much coming. Find the remainder every time. What is the remainder is coming? Check it. What are the possibilities are the remainder? Divide with 4, either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Remaining numbers not possible. Clear, check it. Sir, why dividing with 4? 2 power n or 3, 4 power n or 3 power n, anything. 7 power n. The power is always divided by 4. Why? I will tell you. See. 2 power 1 is how much? 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8. Continue this process. What you are observing here? 2, 4, 8, 6. Again repeated. 2, 4, 8, 6. This is called as cycling. So cyclicity of 2 is 4. After 4 digits, again repeated. See, that's the meaning. That's why when I'm giving question, find the unit digit in 2 power 98. Suppose what to do, dear students, in this case? Every time first divide with 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. So that means unit digit is 2 power 2. Remainder is 2. So that is the answer. One more example. Ready? Find unit digit in 14242. Whole power. What is the unit digit in this number? Is same as unit digit in 2 power 2019. Unit digit same, but anyhow, how to find unit digit number? So this 2019 divided by 4, what is the remainder? Tell me anyone. Anyone?
504.5, sir.
Reminder, yeah, I'm asking reminder. Okay, I will explain. See. 2 power 2019. So divide with 4. What is the remainder is coming? See, anyone?
3, sir.
Yeah, see, good year. 2016. Remainder is how much? 3. Fine, fantastic. That means what is the meaning here? Therefore, what is the unit digit? What is the unit digit? Is 2 power 3. How much coming here? 8.
8.
That is the meaning. So simply I'm writing, see, any number divide with 4, cyclicity, what we are getting? Quotient plus remainder. That means 2 power n, how to write? 2 power 4, like that, see, I'm writing. So 2 power n is equal to how much? 2 power or directly you can write. I'm saying, see, unit digit n 12 power 145, which is same as 2 power. What is the remainder? 145 divided by 4. What is the remainder? Keep in mute, please.
1.
1, sir.
So remainder. So what is the unit digit? 2. That's the answer. So same applicable. Whatever they are giving the number, divide with 4, then find the remainder. What is R? R can be here 0, 1, 2, 3 possible cases. Let us see what about remaining numbers. What are they? 3 power n is there, 4 power n, 7 power n, 8 power n. Same thing cases. 7 power 1 is how much?
7.
Find the unit digits. I am talking about only unit digit, dear students. Okay. 7 power 8 is how much? So what you are observing here also? 7, 9, 3, 1. 7, 9, 3, 1. Repeated digits. Therefore, cyclicity of 7 is 4. That's why 7 power n. Every time you are writing 7 power r only. Unit digit n. 17 power 155 is how much, anyone? So first of all, find out what is the remainder. Anyone? Remainder is how much? 3. So unit digit 17 power 155 is how much? 7 power how much coming? 3. What is the unit digit here? That is the answer. So like that remaining case also. Check it. Tell me anyone. Right on. Find unit digit in 8 power 10. What is your answer? Find the unit digit in 8 power 10. Here also cyclicity of 8 is 4. So divide with 4 means remainder is 2. So answer is coming 4.
4.
Yes. So please write on number 2. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me. 9. 4 is there, no? Yeah. Tell me anyone, what is the cyclicity? Cyclicity of 0 is how much? 4. What about 3?
4.
What about 4?
4.
4. See? 4, 4, 1 is how much? 4 square. 4 cube. So this is 2. 1, 1, 4, 4, 2. That is
2.
meaning. Okay, dear students, what is the power cycle here? Every time repeating 0, 1. What is the case coming here? 2. Like that is coming. Repeated. What about 3? Like that. What about 4? 4, 6. Only 5 repeated. Only 6 repeated. What about 7? What about 8? What about 9? Like that repeating. So please remember this word. Then I will ask you one question. Get ready, anyone. Completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay, good here. Now see variety questions. Find unit digit in 11 power plus 77 power triple 1 plus 505 power 217 plus 100 power 100. How to solve this question? So in this case, dividing into 4 parts. Okay, 4 questions. After that, add them. Directly, what is the unit digit in 11 power 7017? Anyone?
1.
1. Fantastic. 77 power triple 1. How to solve?
7.
7.
Wrong. What to do here? Find first divide with 4. Find the remainder. How much coming? Remainder is 3. 7 cube. This is what is the 7 cube? 7
3.
for 1 is 7. 7 square is 9. 7 cube is how much? 3. So this is unit digit is 3. Unit digit in 50 power 217 is 5 power anything is always gives 5.
5.
Unit digit in 100 power 100 is 0 because unit digit 0 here. 0 power anything is always gives 0. Therefore, total answer is how much now?
9.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 0. 9.
9.
Right now, please write all of you. So this unit digit is how much? 9. Give the conclusion. After adding this number, we are getting 5 to 1 digit number is 9. Right on. Next question. Anyone? It's a funny question. Find the unit digit in 55 power 65, 144 power 71, 2099. What is your answer? Symbol.
Five, sir.
5. Okay, let me see. Let's see how to solve individual solution. What is the unit digit in this number? Anyone? 5. In this case, what is the unit digit?
1.
4 power 71, which is same as how much coming? Unit digit is 4 is coming. See. In this case, what is the unit digit? 1. So therefore, what is the product? 0. Right on.
0.
Okay. So who will respond? Let me see. Find unit digit in, keep in silent mode. 126 power 125. 141 power 150. 125 power 126. 150 power 141. Come on, anyone?
Two.
Okay. Anyone remaining? Now see individual solution. What is the unit digit this number? 6 power anything.
6.
6. Okay. 1 power anything.
2, sir.
1. 5
One.
power anything.
Nine.
5. 0 power anything.
0.
0. So 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 0 is how much? The answer is how much? Give the conclusion. Unit digit is therefore unit digit is 2. Next question. See. Find the unit digit in. See carefully. 54 power 99 plus 99 power 54 into, yes, what is into 144 power 144 plus 199 power 199. What is your answer? So individual solution. First of all, what is the unit digit in this number? I don't know it. All of you, I don't know it. Not. When unit digit is 4, means what here? Case 1. If the power is odd, Then what is the unit digit here? 4. That means what here? 4 power 1, 4 cube, 4 power 5, 4 power 2019. Unit is coming. Unit digit is how much? 4 is coming. That is the meaning. If the power is even, then what is the unit digit? 6. Example, 4 square, 4 power 100, 4 power 2020. That is the meaning. Write down. Write down the circuit. Same thing. Write down. Talking about this case, what here? 4 power n, like that. N is odd, n is even. What is the case? What about 9 power n? Okay, if n is odd, then 9 power n is how much, anyone? Example, 9 power 1, 9 power 2021, 9 power 199. That is the meaning. Unit digit is how much? If n is even,
1.
then unit digit
1.
in 9 power n is 1. Example, see, 9 square, 9 power 100, 2020. That is the meaning. So based on this one, I'm giving one question. Tell me what is the answer. Write down. Find unit digit in 54 power 99, 99 power 54, 654, 2019 power 2019. The answer. So yeah, you know what is the unit digit? Which is same as 4 power 99, 9 power 54, 4 power 64, 9 power 2019. Okay, talking unit digit is same. Okay, no, value not same, unit digit same. 4 per odd number gives how much?
6.
4. 4 per odd number gives 4, no? Okay. 4 power 1 is how much here?
Answer 5, sir.
9 power odd number. Sorry, even number. 9 per even number means how much? 1.
1.
Again, 4 power even number. 9 per odd number.
9.
9.
So this is 5 into 6 plus 9 is how much?
15.
What is the unit digit?
5.
5.
That is the answer. So this time I'm giving variety question. Get ready. Okay. Next question. Find unit digit in 162 power 162 into 2, 197 power 150 plus is the separate number 543 power some 540, 698 power some 638. What is the answer? So in this case, you have to consider 4 options are there. I mean, 4 numbers. Okay, let's simplify individually. Carefully. Excuse me. So first of all, here 162 power 162. What would here? Come on, anyone tell me? 2 power 162 by 4. Remember, find the remainder. What do you know? What the remainder is coming? 162 by 4. How much coming? What is the remainder? 60. 4 parties have 160. Remainder is 2. Therefore, unit digit in is 4. Question number 1. Digit solve them 2. 197 power 5 150. How to write this one? Which is same as 7 power 150 by 4. That is the remainder. How much? 150. How much? 150 by 4. I think so here also. Remainder is 2. So 7 square is how much? 9.
49.
Yes. Unit digit is how much? 9.
9.
Question number 3. 543 power 540. 3 power. What is the remainder? 540 by 4. Last 2 digits are divisible for 4 means remainder 0 is coming here. Clear? So 3 power 0 means in this case you have to take 3 power 4 equal to. In the place of 0 you have to take 4. Why? Remainder is 1. So in the place of 0 you can take 4 also. So 3 power 4 is how much? 1. Otherwise 3 power 0 is also 1. So unit digit is how much? 1.
1.
Yes. Question number 4. 698 power 638. Which is same as 8 power 638. What is the remainder? Why divide with 4? Because this cyclicity of 2, 7, 3, 8 is 4. That's why I'm dividing with 4 every time. Tell me, 638. 38 is not divisible by 4. That's why remainder something is coming. 2 is coming. 8 square. So therefore, what is the unit digit?
4.
4. Okay. Now conclusion. Therefore, finally, what is the unit digit? First one is how much? Second one is how much? Third one is 1. Last one is 1. 4. Now tell me anyone how much is coming. Yeah. Sorry, one more thing here. Multiplication is there, na here? Yeah. Multiplication. Tell me anyone. This is into. This is into. 9 4s are 36. Talking about unit digit. 4. What is the unit digit?
0.
0. Be careful. Actually, I'm not seeing the multiplication. I'm taking addition. Be careful. I'm giving a question challenging anyone. See, it's very funny question. Find unit digit in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Just a minute. Yeah. Who will say the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Power 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the unit digit? Anyone?
9.
9. Fantastic. Yeah. Beautiful.
9.
Yeah. Why? Because this is same as
Odd number.
9 power
Odd number.
odd number. Fantastic. That is okay. No? That is the advantage. But last time we discussed now. 9 for odd number means gives 9. 9 for
9.
even number
Even
gives
means 1.
1. Similarly, 4
One.
for 4. Okay, 4 for even number, 4 for odd number. Practice is required here. Question number 1. Like that. See, one more question. Find unit digit in same question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole power 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What is the answer? Come on.
1.
So, in this case, what here? Which is same as unit digit in 8 power. Okay, in this case, talking about you only 8. 8 power 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What is the cyclicity of 8? 4. No, it's not 4.
8
Four.
power
Divided
2.
with 4, what is the remainder? 0. Don't say 8 power 0. Okay, the remainder is how much here? You have to take only 4.
1.
Okay? 1 not possible here. 8 power 4 only you have to take. So 8 power 4, what is the unit digit?
6.
So don't say 8 power 0, 1. Okay, now? That's the meaning. Remainder means whenever you divide with 4, remainder is what? 1, 2, 3. If you are getting 0, so in the place of 0, you have to take 4. Like that. So means what here? 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. So in this case, remainder is what here? 0 is coming. That's why taking 2 power 4. How much coming?
6.
What is the unit digit of 2 power 4?
6.
Here. Similarly, 8 power 4, 8 power 8. What is the 8 power 4?
Yes.
Just only observation. Okay, good, yeah, good, good. Okay, one more question. Unit digit in 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on 100 factorial. How much? The number of times we're discussing here. Tell me what is the value of 1 factorial? Four factorial means what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, like that. 5 factorial up to 100 factorial. What the unit digit is coming? 0 from 5 factorial. Remaining, see, just add them these digits. How much coming? 3. So 3 plus 0, 0, 0, how much coming unit digit? So therefore, unit digit is how much? 3, write down. 5 factorial. Let's have a discussion now. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and 5. That is 120, like that. This concept is very good today. Once again, revise, okay? Na? I can upload this video in YouTube channel. That's what I'm saying. Please subscribe this channel. Whenever it is required, you can revise. Unit digits. In. What is the unit digit? Tell me in this case, what is the unit digit?
0.
5 power n, what is the unit digit?
Unit digit is 0, sir.
0.
Correct. Unit digit n, 6 power n, always 6. Unit digit n, 1 power n is always 1. So 5 into 6 into 1. Therefore, unit digit is how much? 0 is coming. 30 means 0. Like that. Okay, well, response. Next question. Two power 2020. 3 power 2020. 4 power 2020. 5 power 2020. 6 power, 9 power, anyone. Question number 1. Question number 2. Okay, in YouTube channel, comments box is there now. You can send the options, answers. Okay, na? Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. Okay, don't forget. Please subscribe, like it, and share to your friends also. Thank you. Have a nice day.